Meanwhile, if you were watching us yesterday afternoon here on Fox, that Virginia jury found Amber Heard did defame her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, in that op-ed she wrote in the Washington Post 2018. New York Post covered today, Johnny, be good. Nancy Grace is the host of Crime Stories and Fox Nation. How you doing, Nancy? Good day to you. I got a clip from Jonathan Turley in a moment here that I want to play. But first, your reaction. Were you surprised that the jury essentially said they just did not believe her stories?
No, I was not surprised. At the get-go, I called it as a split verdict, and that is exactly what the jury handed down. Finding mostly for Johnny Depp to the tune of $15 million. That was reduced under law, of course. But there was a split. They also found for Amber Heard in one of her claims based on something that Depp's lawyer, Waldman, stated as Depp's agent. No, I was not surprised, and I'll tell you why. Once a jury doubts your credibility, doesn't believe you, once you're caught in lie after lie after lie, and it may be on a tangential issue, such as taking a poop in the bed, such as not tipping off TMZ to get the perfect shot of her bruise on the side of her face when she filed for that TRO, such as being caught in perjury, lying about, of all things, a charitable donation. You know, she could have just said, you know what? I had good intentions. I know that's not enough. I did give, what, $2 million, but I ran out of money. I ran out of money, and I want to make good. Why not say that instead of lying about it? Because once they smell her lies, it's over. They don't believe her, and they don't accept her testimony.
So here's the clip from Turley. Just played this, guys, from Hannity last night.
The ACLU really does deserve a front row seat in terms of blame. You know, they played a critical role. They helped draft the defamatory statement. They disregarded the countervailing arguments of Depp or the possibility he might be innocent, and they elevated this person as the presumptive spokesperson for all abused spouses.
So what do you think about that, Nancy? Maybe there's some blame to be spread around here.
Absolutely. The ACLU is the entity who largely wrote this article, and then she accepted it and ratified it under the law by posting it out. So both of them had a lot to do with this. Now, why did Depp, not sue the ACLU? Because they could fight back better. I think that was a strategic trial maneuver, and he was right.
Here's Clay Travis, also on Hannity.
Yeah.
Listen.
Washington Post, too.
There probably is a claim against the Washington Post. Now, this was an op-ed piece, right? So she's claiming to tell the truth. To what extent was there an investigation done? Remember, they definitely wrote the headline, which was a major consequential aspect of this case. What it really represents, though, big picture here is the Washington Post has sold the hashtag #BelieveAllWomen. They have sold Me Too.
Perhaps there's some accountability there, too.
Yeah, there are plenty of entities at which you can point the finger, but I'm telling you a tried and true trial truthism, and that is, I don't care what you did wrong, but don't lie on the stand. Don't put perfume on the pig. A jury will smell it a mile away. I've experienced it. I've made that mistake with a jury before, and I nearly lost the case because I tried to puff up a witness, not let the jury know all the horrible things about her. Well, they found out, and it almost cost me a true verdict. That's what you don't want to do, is lie on the stand.
Well, noted. Nancy, nice to see you. Nancy Grace with reaction on that. More to come. Thank you, Nancy. Nice to see you today.